stop. What if I told you your daily habits are slowly destroying your health without you even noticing? Most people wake up tired, eat whatever is easy, sit for hours, and repeat the same routine every day. And then they wonder, why do I feel so low on energy? Here's the truth. You don't need a strict diet. You don't need an expensive gym. You just need the right daily habits. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple habits that can completely change your health and your life. Let's start. Number 1. Fix what's on your plate. What you eat directly affects your energy, mood, and focus. Start simple. Eat more real food, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein. Cut down on sugar, fried food, and processed snacks. And most importantly, don't skip your meals. This isn't about dieting, it's about fueling your body the right way. Number 2, move your body every day. You don't need to spend hours in the gym, just 30 minutes of daily movement can make a huge difference. Go for a walk, take the stairs, stretch between work. Simple actions, but powerful results. Movement improves your mood, helps control weight, and keeps your body strong. Number 3, get enough sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. If you're not getting at least 7 hours of sleep, your body and brain suffer. You feel tired, you lose focus, you gain weight more easily. Try this. Go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid screens before sleep. Keep your room quiet and cool. Better sleep, better life. Number 4, manage your stress. Stress is a part of life, but too much of it can damage your health. Start your day with deep breathing. Take small breaks during work. Talk to someone when you feel overwhelmed. Even a few minutes of calm can reset your mind. Take care of your mental health, just like your physical health. Number 5, drink more water. Most people are dehydrated and don't even realize it. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Add lemon or cucumber if you don't like plain water. Carry a bottle with you. Sometimes you're not tired, you're just dehydrated. Now listen carefully. You don't need to change everything at once. Start small. Pick just one habit today and stay consistent, because small daily actions create big results over time. Your future self will thank you. If you're serious about improving your health, check the link in the description. There's something powerful waiting for you. And before you go, comment below. Which habit will you start today? Like this video and subscribe for more simple health tips.